Wagwan massive. You don't know, say your girl Whitney.
And it's your boy Jessie.
And we are back today with another video.
So today, you guys, we're doing like a little vlog kinda. You guys gonna be behind the scenes watching us create our new intro. I know y'all was complaining about our old intro, like, oh, it's so long. It's 30 seconds long. We know.
It's not that long. I've seen longer. But
It's pretty long. But before we get started, alright guys, look, that's gonna be the last time y'all see that intro, alright? So we finna get ready, finna go watch these cars real quick, and then we're gonna start making on this intro, so you guys gonna be behind the scenes watching us get this stuff started. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, share, and
you will have good luck for the rest of the year.
Alright, let's get to it. Alright y'all, so we're here at the car wash, and we about to get this car cleaned, alright? Our car is so dirty right now, man. Let's get to it. I'm gonna have Whitney clean it all up because I don't feel like doing that.
Alright guys, so we are out here. We just did a couple of shots, took a couple of photos. After this we're gonna do an outfit change and we're gonna take some more shots. And yeah, it's hot out here though. We sweating.
So we're over here at Stepping Stone Falls, y'all. This is in Michigan. This is a nice little area, you know, it's pretty nice.
Alright guys, so we just got done doing part 2 of the video shoot and we took a couple of photos as well.
Oh my goodness, it's hot.
I'm tired, it's hot, like these heels killing me, okay? I'm hungry. I had to not eat so my stomach can be a little flat. For the females, y'all know what that means, yeah. But right now, we about to head out because we just got done and we're gonna grab some food. And shout out to our cameraman, Aaron, he did a good job today. We appreciate you.
My boy.
Alright guys, so we'll see you when we get in the car. Alright?
So hot.
It is hot. Y'all, so we just made it in the car. We on our way to go get this food because we all hungry.
Dehydrated and hungry.
I damn near died, okay? This sun is hot today. It's like 90 degrees outside. And then to make it worse, I didn't eat nothing. We didn't eat nothing today. So you know we starving. And we about to head to Church's Chicken. get some chicken, some fried chicken, some good chicken. They biscuits is so good, y'all. Like, they got the best biscuits to me. What you think, babe? Because Popeye's biscuit, KFC's biscuit, it be so dry. Like, I don't be messing with their biscuit. I like Church's chicken. They biscuit is moist and it's honey glazed and it's so good, y'all. Like,
quick question. Do everybody girl get this excited over food, or is it just mine?
I'm just hungry, babe. You gotta understand something. I ain't eating nothing all day, okay? You not hungry?
I am hungry.
Oh, okay, that's what I thought. But yeah, I'm ready. How long before we get there though? Like it's like a 10-minute?
About 15 minutes.
Shit. And all these water bottles in here is hot. They like steaming hot. I ain't gonna complain though about the heat too much because I don't like the winter time, honestly. Like, I like it being cool. I don't like the snow. So I don't want to complain too much about the heat. Because once it's gone till next year. So I probably shouldn't say nothing about this heat. I should probably just be grateful that it's hot right now. At least I can cool down with the AC and, you know, at home if I take a shower or go to the beach or to the pool, I can cool down that way. So I guess I shouldn't say nothing about that. I think we did a pretty good job today, though. I'm tired.
Which one is the fastest way? Let me see which way is the fastest way. Let me get my phone.
If you get on the expressway.
It should be on the side. I don't know if I should go that way or if I should
right,
go that
the way you came from and get on the expressway.
That's what I'm thinking.
Because it's gonna bring us in a circle, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just don't know which way is fast. Thank you, sir.
So the reason why we haven't been posting a lot like we should be is because, you know, Jessie, he got a promotion at work recently, and so he's working like 6 days a week and he does a lot of overtime. So like we really don't have that much time, but we trying to work on that though. We trying to, you know, put some things in place and try to schedule better, and so we can get some more videos out, you know what I'm saying? Because I know a lot of people been asking like, where are the videos, when y'all gonna post again? And I just wanted to let y'all know, like, that's what's going on with that. I didn't do it right, did I?
Yeah, cool.
We gonna have to redo it. I didn't.
Alright.